Yes, I'm fine with the grace of Almighty. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about chapter 8, that is information and data. So throughout the class we will learn many basic things related to this chapter, as this is a very new concept for you in class 6, isn't it? Yes, you will be very attentive in today's class because this concept is there in class 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So my dear students, get ready with your textbook, classwork copy and obviously a pen and a pencil. We are going to start our today's class now, and you will note down the important things in your classwork copy, as well as we will be solving one problem. That one also you will pick it up in your classwork copy. Get ready, students. Dear students, before starting today's class, let's do the review of previous class. In your previous class, you solved chapter 7, and from this chapter, you solved problem number 19 and 20. So I will ask you some basic questions related to your previous class lesson. See the given figure, what is the vertically opposite angle of angle AOB? Here, this is the given figure, and you can see angle AOB is this one. So which one is the vertical opposite of this angle? Yes, you're absolutely correct, students. The vertically opposite angle of angle AOB is angle COD. This is this one, angle COD is the vertically opposite angle of angle AOB. You're absolutely correct, students. Thank you. See, if I ask you if in any triangle one angle is 90 degree and another angle is 45 degree, so would you be able to find the value of the third angle? Yes, you're correct, students. We know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to how much degree? Yes, it's 180 degree. So here as one angle 90 degree, another angle is 45 degree, and we are to find the value of the third angle. So in the second line, I have written that 90 degree plus 45 degree plus third angle. As the value of first angle 90, second angle 45, and we don't know the value of the third angle. So here, see what I have done at first, I have added 90 degree and 45 degree. It's 135 degree. 135 is sum up here, and if you just change the side of this 135 degree by going to right side, it will be 180 degree minus 135 degree. So if you do subtract, the result is 45 degree, and this is our required answer. So dear students, thank you very much for cooperating with the review session. Now we are going to start our today's lesson. Today our online classwork copy is 119. Please note it down in your classwork copy, students. Okay. So what we will be learning? Yes, we will be learning chapter 8, that is information and data. So from this chapter, I will do some basic discussions about mean, median and mode, and from exercise 8, I will solve problem number 15. So the topic that we will cover today is included in your textbook in page number 159 to 170. Dear students, see at the end of this lesson, you will be able to get some basic ideas about information and data. And also you will get some basic ideas about mean, median and mode, as well as you will be able to solve problems related to information and data. So my dear students, now we are going to do some basic discussions on data and information. At first, let me tell you what information is. Yes, in this world of information, we often come across the information and we see the worldwide use of them, isn't it? Yes. For example, see what we teachers do. We keep your attendance every day and records of what you are doing, isn't it? And whenever after your examination, when you are getting your report card, there we do attach your all activities in the classes, and that help you out to find the information about yours, isn't it, students? See, here is another example. Here you can see one table and here another table. So these are the obtained marks of how many students? 10 students in your class 6 examination who obtained more than 60 in maths exam. And in this table, you again get the marks of 10 students of class 6 who obtained less than 60 marks in their examination. So here, see, there are the numbers highest and lowest, so which have been placed in the table. These numbers are based on what, students? Yes, based on information. So see here, the obtained marks are 50, 45, 40 and 35. These forms are statistics. Again, see in this table, here, what is the highest mark? Yes, the highest mark is 90. And what is the lowest mark? Yes, you can get this is 70. So these are the data of statistics. Again, see in this table, which one is the highest mark? Yes, it's 50 and the lowest mark is 35. So these are also the data of statistics. So dear students, see, let us suppose the weights in kg of 8 students of Malson School are as follows. See here is the weight of how many students? 8 students. So see what are the weights? 50, 40, 45, 47, 50, 55, 60, 45. So weights are taken in random and here the numbers are presented are unorganized. That is, according to the numerical value, they are not in order pair, isn't it? Yes, so these data are called unorganized data. On the other hand, see here, those data are organized here. See, according to the numerical value, that is after 40, the greater number is 45, then 45, then 47, then 50, then 50, then 55, then 60. So see, these data are organized according to the numerical values, isn't it? So here the numbers presented are organized. So these data will be called what? Organized data. So what is mean, students? Yes, mean is obtained from the sum of the collected data divided by the number of data. For clear explanation and your understanding, I will show you a video. So let's enjoy the video and we'll come back again.
Look at this set of numbers. 12, 16, 12, 6, 18, 2 and 4. Let's find out the arithmetic mean of these numbers first. We know that it equals the sum of values divided by the number of values. The sum of values would be 12 plus 16 plus 12 plus 6 plus 18 plus 2 plus 4. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 values. We divide this sum by 7. 12 plus 16 is 28. 28 plus 12 is 40. 40 plus 6 is 46. 46 plus 18 is 64. And 64 plus 6 is 70. So the mean would equal 70 divided by 7. That gives us 10. So the mean of these 7 numbers is 10.
So I hope students you understand what mean is. Yes, now we will go for median. Median is obtained from the central or middle value from the list of numbers. Yes, are you confused? Okay, I'm making you clear by showing a video. At first, enjoy the video and I hope you will understand this topic.
Median of this set of numbers. We know that the median is the middle or the central value, but only after we arrange the terms in ascending order. This is the ascending order of the set. 2, 4, 6, 12, 12, 16 and 18. Now to find the median, we just have to look for the middle value. This is the middle term. It has 3 terms on its left and 3 on its right. 12 is the median of this set of numbers. And the median, as we can see, is the 4th term. First, second, third and the 4th. What we should be interested in is this number 4. Which term is the median? Look at the set of numbers. We have 7 terms here, and 4 can be written as 7 plus 1 divided by 2. It's 8 by 2, which is 4. We can say that the median is the n plus 1 by 2th term. Here, n is 7, which is why we say that the 4th term is the median. Will this work for any and every set? This formula works only when the number of terms in the set is odd. That is, only if n is odd. What happens when n is even? Look at this set. It has 8 terms. To find the median, we first arrange the numbers in ascending order. It will be 7, 7, 14, 15, 17, 24, 29 and 42. What will be the median in this case? As there are 8 terms, we cannot find one central value within the set. The median will be the average of the 2 central terms 15 and 17. It will be 15 plus 17 by 2. And that will be 32 by 2, which equals 16. 16 is the median of this set of values. But how do we generalize it? Which term is the median? Look at 15. It is the 4th term and n is 8. So 15 is the n by 2th term. What about 17? 17 is the 5th term. It is actually the term after this one. 17 is the n by 2 plus 1th term. So the median is the average of the n by 2th term and the n by 2 plus 1th term. But this is only when n is even.
So dear students, I hope you understand what median is. Yes, now we will go for mode. Mode is the value that occurs most often. If no number in the list is repeated, then there is no mode for the list. So let's go for examples. See, here there is 2 examples. Okay. So now here, see, 7 appears how many times? Once. 8 appears how many times? Here 1 and here 1, 2. 9 appear how many times? 1, 2 and 3. And 6 appears 1 time, 5, 1 time. So which number appeared highest time here? Yes, it's 9. So what will be our required mode? Yes, the answer will be 9. Again, see here in the example, there is 7, 8, 9, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2. So can you guess what will be the mode here? Is there any number which is repeated? Yes, there is no number repeated in this example. So our answer will be in mode. There is no mode. So I hope you understand this, students. Okay, now we will move for solving exercise 8, problem number 15. Let's go through the question first. See, in the STEM, it's given that this secured mark in mathematics of 20 students of your class are how much? 30, 40, 35, 50, 60, 70, 65, 75, 60, 70, 60, 30, 40, 80, 75, 90, 100, 95, 90, 85. So in A, it is asked that are these organized data? And in B, it is said that if the data are unorganized, then organize it. In C, the question is arrange the data in ascending and descending orders. In D, it said that find the arithmetic mean. So dear students, are you thinking this math so tough? No, it's very easy from our basic discussion. Okay, let's solve the math. So see, in A, the question was, are these organized data? So whenever we are discussing the basic things, I said that in organized data, what will happen? The data will be organized according to their numerical values. But see here, the data are very much scattered, isn't it? After 30, 40, and again another lowest number, again another highest number that is 50, again 60. So these data are not organized. So what will be the answer? Yes, in answer to the question of 18A, we will write that no, they are not organized data. In B, what was the question, students? Yes, if the data are unorganized, then organize it. So in answer to the question on 18B, as we have written, the data are unorganized. So now we are to organize data. Before that, you will write one sentence. The organization of the data are given below. See? So how you will organize it? From the smaller number to the greater number. Okay. So see here, what is the smallest number? That is 30. 30 is how many times here? Okay, here there is another one time, twice. Yes, so 30 is twice here. Then after 30, which one is the greater number? Yes, it's 35, and 35 appears how many times? Yes, it appears one time. So I have written 35 one time here. Then we will go for which one is the greater number after 35 here? Yes, it's 40. So here we will write 40, and at first look how many times 40 is appeared here. Yes, it's 2 times. So I have written 40 2 times. Then which one is the greater number after 40? Yes, it's 50. So see, in 50 I have written here 50, and 50 is how many times here? Only one times. Written, done. Then we will go for which one is more greater number after 50. Yes, it's 60, and 60 appears how many times here? 1, 2, 3. So I have written 60 thrice. Then we will go for the next number greater than 60. Yes, that is 65. And 65 is how many times here? 1. Yes, it's once here. Then we will go for the next greater number after 65. That is how much? Yes, it's 70. So 70 appears how many times here? Yes, 70, and 70 twice. Okay, then we will go for the next greater number. Yes, that is 75, and it appears also twice. Then we will go for again the next greater number. Yes, that is 80. Then yes, then 85. Then yes, you are correct, 90. So 90 appear how many times here? Yes, twice. Then after 90, which one? 95. Good. Then 100. Very good, student. So as the data were unorganized, so we have organized the data in answer to the question of 18B. Now see, what was the question in C? Arrange the data in ascending and descending order. So ascending means what, students? Yes, we have to arrange the data according to the numerical value from smaller to the larger. See, here I have organized the data according to the smaller to larger. 30, 30, 35, 40, 40, 50, 60, 60, 60, then 65, then 70 twice, then 75 twice, then 80, 85, then 90, how many times? Twice, then 95 and 100. Again, if we do organize this data in descending order, yes, what we have to do? Yes, for arranging the data in descending order, we will just rearrange the numbers in such a way that the greater number will come first, and gradually what will come? The smaller number. Then, dear students, we will go for solving D number. See, in D number, what we will do? We will find the arithmetic mean from these marks. So see here, in the answer to the question on 18D, at first you will write the definition. That is, we know arithmetic mean equals to sum of the data divided by the number of data. Isn't it? Yes, we all know this. Thank you, students. Then, for finding the mean of the data, what we will do? We will put all the value in the numerator's place, because here what is written? Sum of the data. So that is how many data are given there. We will do sum of those data. The number of the data. See, in the question it was mentioned that how many numbers are there. Yes, it's 20. So we have written here 20, and if you count here the number of data, you will absolutely get 20 data here. So if you do sum of these data, your result will be 1300, that is 1300 divided by 20. So next, if you do divide 20 and 1300, the result will be how much, students? Yes, very good. It will be 65. So this was all about problem number 18. Students, I hope you understand this math. This was the basic discussion, and after basic discussion, this one was related to the basic topics actually. So, and this was very easy, right? Yes.
Dear learners, this was all about today's class. I hope you all did enjoy today's class. Thank you very much. This class was very interesting and I think this will help you out to solve many more related maths related to information and data. So dear students, please kindly to practice the related maths at your home, which will help you more to clear your basic concept. Dear learners, I hope you will stay tuned with Master School and College. Yes, and I hope again to meet you soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.